Namaskar. Today we are going to discuss about babysitter or nanny and their related queries. Like, to start with, let's first understand who are they. Who are babysitters? They are house help person or maid who help us to take care of our children. So the next question is, why do we need them? In nuclear family where husband, wife and their children only living in their house, in those families, whenever in whatever form you get help is very welcome, because only two person, like husband is working and doing his duties and mother are working from home or having so much activities to do. Babysitters are great help for them. And in joint family also, where you can have your in-laws or your parents with you, then also that at that age they also are not very very good at doing all this work, because they also get tired at the end of the day. So if you are living in joint family, then to have peace at home, to avoid disputes at home between you, and if you are living with your in-laws, then there is always little silent war between you, that who will take care of your child. So in that case, babysitter take benefit of babysitters, because it will help you. You can tell your babysitters easily that do this work, but you cannot tell your mother-in-laws or mother even that do this work, because it will be like you are ordering them. So to avoid all this, babysitters make great help to you. So the third question is, whom to choose, young or old? So they have their own pros and cons, or benefits or losses. So young babysitter is active, playful, help in other activities too, like if you want to have kitchen activities, like kitchen duties, she can cut vegetables whenever children is asleep, or she can sort all the fruits and can keep in fridge. So these are little activities, but they are a big help in that respect, because they are young, so they are active and they can do easily, they can run behind our children and they make great help to us. Old like granny kind of babysitter, they are granny figure in themselves, so they will be very loving, caring to our children. So, and they will be help in case of age old practices, like you want to have दळण जे करतो आपण गव्हाचं वगैरे, असं जेव्हा ह्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीज, दोज विच आर एज ओल्ड ॲक्टिव्हिटीज, or like making good tea, and also in that respect, or handling child very well, like as our grannies used to do. So in that case, grannies are very helpful, but they are, as you can see, they are old too, so even they get tired at the end of the day. So you can do one thing, you can distribute your the periods, like you can choose 2 nannies and you can distribute your desired period in those. So whenever one is on leave, one babysitter is on leave, so you can make benefit of other, so they can compensate at the end of the month. So this is a good idea for you to handle or distribute your period of work for them. So the next thing is benefits and loss of keeping babysitter. Benefits are, they are great help, and the company. So whenever we feel lonely at times, because only mother and child is at home, so they can be a good company if they are in good behavior. So you have to choose, you have to see, search for many babysitters, like there are many online platforms for that. But I personally use like trust based relationships, like whoever I know, like I work in a hospital, so I have nurses and staffs who know these kind of person very well. So I take those, I prefer those contacts for having a good babysitter. I am having a babysitter at home since Vrinda is 7 to 8 months because I have to complete my PG. So I have that privilege to have a babysitter, and Vrinda is very happy having them because she is very happy when they are she is surrounded by so many person. So that is the help we get because we get company, but make sure you get a good company. So the next is outdoor work. Yes, you can do easily outdoor work. You can go for outing nowadays because of lockdown. That activities are not now, but you can have those outdoor fun. Then peace at home because you feel less burden because you do not have all the activities to do, and your head is not occupied by all those activities. You are kind of relieved by telling telling her to do some of the activities, and you can do the rest of the activities at your own level. So this is the thing. Then you can have me time. So of course, if you are having a help, you can take use of it, make use of it, and you can get your me time, like doing exercise and all. Though you have a babysitter, your child will always be dependent on you. Do not become insecure about the same. Your child will always come to you if you are loving and caring. So do not fear that you will lose your child's attention. So in joint family also, a babysitter make help because it, as I told earlier, it prevents many of the disputes because you cannot order your in-laws or parent, but you can easily order your nanny or babysitter. So the losses, yes, the losses is the finance. The first is I mentioned it as a first because yes, you are losing like 1,000 per hour per month. Like if you are keeping your housemaid for 8 hours, so it's like 8,000 per month, and it is a big value. So you definitely have to think about that. But you can also have some less budget if you are offering some other help to that person, like if you are bringing your maid from your hometown, that will also be useful for you because bringing a maid from hometown and having them for 24 hours will cost less than that, of course. So the next is privacy. Your privacy will be lost because if though your house is big, but your husband or whenever any male guest will come, they will feel little awkward to be free in front of them. So yes, privacy will be lost. Then third is insecurity. You can be insecure, like you are not getting that attention from your child, or you are is she taking good care of her or not, that kind of thing. You can become insecure. The fourth is CCTV also. You can have trust issues, like if she is good or not, is she going to going to take away something from our groceries and all to her home. So all that activities, all that things can come in your mind, and so you may have to put CCTV and all. Then behavior problems. Yes, you don't come to know how the person is at the first sight or at the first visit. So day by day you will come to know how are they and what are their behavior is, what is their background. So their language, the next point is their language. So their language, their activities, their vibration can affect your children. So you are introducing a person to your children, so that is also a big thing. So are they good, are their behavior is good, their sanskars are good or not, because they are definitely going to affect your children. So you have to take care of all these losses, and then you have to decide your benefits are overcoming the losses, or losses are overcoming the benefits. So it's your choice, it's your take what to do. But I can say babysitter, from my experience, babysitters are very great help for me in the last 2 years, and definitely they will make good company if you choose wisely. Thank you.